There we go. That one took it. I just sight fished that fish. Unbelievable. Oh, that is the crappy part about these clay banks. Alright. Got a little more of a pool here. I can actually see some fish swimming around in there. I'm gonna kind of set up a shop here. See if I can reel some stuff in on this ultralight. I don't really have a target species in mind today. I just wanted to get out and throw some earthworms in this little river here. See if I can make something happen. Just for the fight. Just using one split shot sinker down to a little panfish hook, which from my experience is perfect setup for doing what I'm doing here. I don't know if you guys can see that. There's a channel cat right there, cruising the bottom. So cool. I've never seen that before. There's a carp next to him. I see several species of carp right now. Buffalo, common. I'm pretty sure that's a big grass carp over there. Let's see if I can get one interested in taking on this ultralight. Oh, almost had that one. Oh, I did have that one. They broke my hook off. Man, let's get retied and do that again. Ah, we got 5 of them right out here in front of me. There we go. That one took it. I just sight fished that fish. Unbelievable. Ease that drag down with. That is so cool. Just straight up sight fish this guy. £4-pound test line on an ultralight. He's let me know too that he does not like me. Alright, don't break me off here. This is the most risky part. There he is. Look at that dude. That is so cool. Carp aren't exactly the most popular species to catch, but man, they could put up a fight, especially on this ultralight. What a good time. We'll get this guy back on his way. Thanks for the fight, dude. You guys can see here where this little creek meets this little river. There's 2 different shades of water. There's one that's really clear. There's one that's kind of muddy. Kind of hoping there's some fish hanging out right on the edge of that line. Throw this jig around a little while I'm waiting. I love doing this little river fishing because you just don't know what you're going to catch. I don't even know how many species I've caught out of this little stream. A bunch. Some real surprise catches have come out of here though. It's a good time coming out here and soaking some worms and tossing some artificials. Try and see what's hanging around. This little stream. Oh, I just see right there. Look at that. Flop him right up here. That is so cool. Just pulled this little, guys, I think that is a spotted gar. I think that's a spot. Look at that guy. He is beautiful. Pulled him right out of just that little pocket over there. That was really cool. He's a beautiful fish. Let's see if I can clean him up a little before he gets away. I don't see a whole lot. If this is a spot, I don't see a whole lot of spotted gar. I think this might actually be the first one I've ever caught. Look at the colors on that thing. Oh, they are the hardest fish to hold on to. Beautiful fish. The one in my last video was a short nose gar, the one that I ate and showed you guys how to clean. These guys are a lot more similar to a long nose gar, which I'm not totally convinced this isn't a long nose gar with just weird patterns, but my gut's telling me this is going to turn out being a spotted gar. He is a cool fish though. I don't know what my fascination is with this kind of fish, with the gar, but I don't know, maybe it's the teeth or just the prehistoric aspect of them. But I love actually targeting these fish and do a good release on him. That was awesome. Thanks, buddy. As I'm getting hit on my worm over there. There we go. Something a little heavier. I have no idea what it is, but it is absolutely heavier than what I've been catching. Not a whole lot of fight to it, whatever it is. I want to show this to you guys. So my battery died right in the middle of fighting that last hookup, but it was a soft-shelled turtle. These guys are freaking awesome. Just an awesome turtle. Look how thin he is. They have really long necks, so I need to be careful here. He would have definitely no problem reaching me if he wanted to. But look at that turtle. That is beautiful. I was able to get him off the line and seems pretty unharmed to me. He just made the mistake of grabbing a worm that he shouldn't have grabbed, which I do feel bad for, but sometimes that happens. Luckily, we were able to get him off unharmed. I'm gonna try here to get you all a better angle of this guy. A beautiful turtle, beautiful critter. The spots on him. Look at that face. Awesome animals. That's gonna turn out being my last catch of the day, I think, and I'm gonna pack it up and head home. I got some stuff I gotta do, but turned out being a pretty productive little 2-hour trip down here to this little stream. Always a good time. Thanks for letting us check you out, buddy. All right, here we go. Let's let him go. There he goes. Very, very awesome.